welcome back for another video. So in today's video I decided to do a nail care, nail prep type video for you guys, and I also show you how to apply press-on nails. I do make press-on nail custom orders. If you guys are interested, you can message me on my Instagram. It will be down below for you guys. I do make custom orders and I do ship. So yeah, just hit me up if you are interested, but I just thought I would show you how I apply them to my nails. So I start off by adding some alcohol to a paper towel and just wiping my nails, just cleansing my nail before I start, and then I go in with that cuticle remover. I got it at Walmart, and then I just apply that around my cuticle area. I do give that a few seconds to like soften my cuticle, and then I go in with this cuticle pusher, and what I do is I like scrape from like sidewall to sidewall, and then at the same time I like push down on my cuticle. This is just what I do, so it works for me. And then after I am finished with the one nail, I do wipe it off and then move on to the next nail. So after I'm finished, I do take a paper towel and wipe off that excess liquid that is there. And then I go in with a paper towel with some alcohol and wipe it, just wipe it clean again, just to be sure it's gone, because I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to leave this on your skin for that long. So I wanted to go ahead and make sure that I wiped it off all the way. And then I go in with these Cuticle Nippers. Now, I got these from Dollar Tree. I do not recommend them. They are horrible. They're okay, I'm not gonna say horrible, but they're not sharp. Like, this took way longer than it should have taken. But I just take the Cuticle Nippers and nip away the dead skin from around the cuticle area. And I do this with all the nails, and then once I was finished, I noticed I still had some left on there, so I went and got my other pair, they were a little sharper, so they got what was left. Do be careful when you do this. I just do this because I'm too nervous to use the e-file to go around my cuticle, so, and this is what's more comfortable for me. So if you're nervous to do this, then don't do it. But I just take my time and just nip. I don't go crazy because I've seen plenty of people cut themselves. So I just take, a little bit at a time, and I just you can see what I'm doing here. And then I do go in with another pair just to make sure I get the rest of it. Because on some of the nails, this green one wasn't sharp enough to get it. I don't know where I got this purple one, but I do just need to go ahead and buy a better pair. This pair is not bad, it's just they're old. I've had them for a while. So I just need to go ahead and invest in a new pair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this finish playing out, and I will come back when I'm ready for the next step. So once I'm finished with that, I go in with this buffing block. I got these on Amazon. And I just buff the shine off of the nail. I'm not going in heavy-handed at all. I'm very lightly scratching the surface just to give the base gel something to stick to. Very lightly. Let's not be rough. And then once I'm finished with that, I dust the nails, and then I wipe them away with some alcohol again, just to make sure I'm getting all that dust off of my nails. And this is what the nails look like so far. I think I did a pretty good job. I don't do this often, so I'm trying to be more aware of needing to do this often. So after that, I go ahead and apply my base gel. This is just from McCart. And I'm going to apply a thin, even coat of that over all the nails. And I go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. So after I'm finished with that, this is when I would be done with my nail care, well, not prep, but my nail care routine. I would just apply cuticle oil and then some hand cream. These are just a few that I have on my desk. One was from Pink, Victoria's Secret, and the other one I got from the Dollar Tree. So I just gravitate more towards a thicker hand cream. So yeah, that would be the end of the nail care part. So this part is me showing you how I apply, why can I not remember the name of them? Press-ons. I'm so sorry. So this is how I would apply press-ons. Like, I see that they're becoming more popular. So, and I do make them. So I wanted to have a video for reference for my customers. So you would just size them out to your nails, making sure they fit from sidewall to sidewall. And if your cuticle is more round and the nail is, more square shaped, I would say, you could take the file and just file around that. But these actually fit my nails pretty well. And these tips are from McCart. I'll leave them down below if they have them. I'm not sure. So because I did add that base coat, you do want to go ahead and rough that surface again. So I just take my buffing block and just scratch the surface a little bit, and then I do wipe them away with some paper towel and alcohol again. And I'm going to use this McCart glue. McCart's nail glue is very good. Or you could use KDS glue or the Kiss glue, any of that, whatever you prefer. But I have a bunch of these, so I'm going to use these. So I just put a generous amount on the inside of the nail. And I give it a few seconds just to get sticky. And then I apply it like I would if I was using the base coat. I start at the cuticle and then I slowly press down, and then I hold the nail on my natural nail for 10 to 15 seconds, and then I kind of squeeze the sides, and then I move on to the next nail. Starting at the cuticle, I press down all the way till it reaches the free edge, and then I hold it there for 10 to 15 seconds, like I said. And some of them I didn't have to squeeze the sides, like this one, it fit my nail completely perfect. So, and then I just do that with the rest of the nails. Now, what I've learned is the key to keeping press-ons on your nail and not popping off is good prep work, but also not washing your hands in hot water for at least the first hour after applying them. That is what I do, and it's worked for me. And I tell my customers the same thing. So if you don't have the tools that I've used, you could basically just, what I include in all my kits is I include a nail prep kit where it comes with a cuticle pusher and a buffing block. So you push back the cuticles, then you take the buffing block and scratch the surface shine off of your nails, and then cleanse your nails, and then apply the press-ons to your nails. So that's what I tell my customers. And then, as you saw, I just filed off the tab off the tip of the nails, and then I did go ahead and buff the shine off. And then this is what the nails are looking like. And then I just wanted to do a quick nail design because these were kind of bare for me. So I got this gel polish. It's like a temperature changing gel polish. I got this from the May Your Nail Lab subscription box, and I've been wanting to use it. So I just put that at the tip of my ring finger and pointer finger, and then I kind of just did an ombre, which actually turned out pretty good. I'm actually surprised. So I just applied that to the tip, and then I took this ombre brush and just ombre'd it on the nail, into the nail. And then I cured it, and then I applied a glitter top coat that I got from the same subscription box to all of the nails. And this is what the nails look like once I took them out of the nail lamp. And then here's me applying that glitter top coat. And then I just do a full cure at the end after I'm finished applying this to all the nails. And I just want to say that this set took me like 30 minutes. Like, it didn't take me no time at all. It just took me a little longer because of recording and stuff. But you guys could get, nails anywhere now and apply them yourself at home and save a bunch of money. So I highly recommend, doing it yourself. And if you want, I can do custom orders for you guys. And like I said, I ship out, and you can message me on my Instagram, which is nailsby_Chris. Like I said, I'll leave it down below for you guys. But this is how they turned out. I think they turned out amazing. They look professionally done, and it took me 30 minutes in my room. And they're amazed. Like the cuticle area, all that. It looks like these are my natural nails. They came out beautifully. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.